Welcome to Beautyistic, where we dive deep into the products that promise to make your beauty routine easier and more effective. Today, we're talking about something that's often overlooked, but incredibly important: maintaining healthy gums and teeth. Specifically, the Reach Interdental Brush Bundle. If you've struggled to find an interdental brush that fits just right, or if you're looking for something that goes above and beyond your usual cleaning routine, this could be the answer. And hey, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you never miss another honest review like this one. The Reach Interdental Brush Bundle comes with two different sizes: 1.0 millimeters for tight spaces and 1.3 millimeters for wider gaps, making it versatile enough to clean all those hard-to-reach places between your teeth. The key feature? It removes up to 30% more plaque than traditional brushing alone. The angled design of the brushes gives you 75% more coverage and can clean 1.5 times more plaque with the same movement. This means you're not just brushing, you're actually improving your gum health and keeping your smile fresher for longer. As for the materials and design, the special coating on the wires is designed to protect your gums, inspired by the technology found in professional dental tools. That's a big plus, because your gums deserve just as much care as your teeth. The ergonomic, ribbed handles give you a better grip and more control while using the brushes, making them easier to handle even with wet hands. And each brush comes with its own cap, which is perfect for maintaining better hygiene between uses. When it comes to real-world use, I found these brushes to be really easy to incorporate into my routine. I've always struggled to get into those tight spots, but the 1.0 millimeter brush works wonders for cleaning between my teeth without causing discomfort. The 1.3 millimeter brush is great for those slightly larger gaps. The angled design helps to maneuver easily around my teeth, and the added gum protection feature is a huge plus. I noticed that my mouth felt noticeably cleaner, and my gums weren't irritated at all after using them, which is often a concern with cheaper alternatives. Now let's talk pros and cons. On the plus side, these brushes are incredibly effective at cleaning, with their angled heads and coated wires providing both comfort and better cleaning results. The different sizes give you flexibility, and the hygienic caps ensure the brushes stay clean between uses. The ergonomic handles make them easy to grip even when my hands are a little slippery. However, there are a couple of minor cons. The brushes may feel a little too small for people who have larger gaps between their teeth or prefer bigger, bulkier tools. Also, while the price is fairly reasonable, it's definitely on the higher end compared to basic floss picks. But considering the added benefits and the gum protection, the investment might be worth it for those who are serious about gum health. As for value for money, I would say it's a solid buy. The brushes are high quality, well-designed, and effective at what they do. If you're someone who prioritizes gum health and plaque control, these brushes deliver on their promises. They don't just clean your teeth, they protect your gums too. So yes, I do believe the price is justified when you consider how much more effective these brushes are than the typical drugstore versions. There are certainly alternatives out there, such as generic interdental brushes or floss picks. However, what sets the Reach Interdental Brush apart is the ergonomic design and gum protection feature, which you often don't get with cheaper options. If you're looking for something similar but more affordable, you might want to check out brands like Gum or Teepee, which offer comparable interdental brushes at a slightly lower price. As for the build quality, I can't complain. The brushes are sturdy and the caps help maintain hygiene, which is a nice touch. Over time, they've held up well, and I expect them to last a while if taken care of. They're not flimsy at all, which is a common issue with cheaper brushes. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this one. And if you're itching to get it, the link is in the comments. Now, when it comes to customer service, I've had no direct issues with Reach, but I do appreciate that they have a strong reputation for handling customer queries promptly. That's always a good sign for any brand, especially when it comes to products we put so close to our mouths. If you're on the hunt for an alternative, I'd say it depends on your priorities. While this product is more effective at cleaning and offers better gum protection, there are more budget-friendly options that may suit those just looking for a quick clean. If you're serious about your gum health, though, the Reach Interdental brushes are a great investment. To wrap things up, the Reach Interdental Brush Bundle delivers on its promises of effective plaque removal, gum protection, and ease of use. If you're looking for a reliable tool to keep your teeth and gums in tip-top shape, this could be a great addition to your dental routine. I'd recommend it to anyone who's serious about gum health and oral care. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to check the link in the description or comments if you want to grab your own set of Reach Interdental brushes. And if you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.